In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Notion. By the end, you'll have a live, fillable form sitting right on your Notion page, ready for you or your teammates to use without leaving your workspace. Before we begin, make sure you have an existing Jotform and a Notion page where you want it to appear. That's all you need. First, grab the correct link from Jotform. Log into your Jotform account and head to My Forms. Locate the form you want to embed and open its share options. You'll see a few different sharing methods, but the only thing we want is the form URL. Copy that direct link. Don't copy the embed code or any iframe snippet. Notion handles the embedding for you when you provide a URL. A quick way to confirm you have the right link is to paste it into a browser tab. It should open the standalone form and be usable on its own. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the form to live. Put your cursor where the form should appear. Type /embed and select embed from the menu, or click the plus button on the left and choose embed. When the embed dialog pops up, paste the Jotform URL you copied a moment ago, then click embed link. Notion will load a preview and place your form directly on the page. You can interact with the form immediately. Scroll through long forms, pick dates, check boxes, and even submit entries, all without leaving Notion. If the block looks cramped, hover near the corners to resize it so more of the form is visible. You can also drag the block to a different spot on the page or drop it into a column layout if you prefer a side-by-side design with notes or tasks. If the form doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load, then try repasting the same URL to ensure there were no stray spaces. Make sure it's the standard form URL, not a shortened link or an embed snippet. A quick page refresh can also help Notion render the preview cleanly. That's it. You copied your Jotform form URL, added an embed block in Notion, pasted the link, and clicked embed link. With this setup, you keep everything in one place, which is great for project hubs, onboarding pages, or client portals. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined workflow.